Fox 2 video. Today we're going to be doing a pistol only. We're doing free-for-all, YM, and free-for-all, and I get to use nothing but the Executioner and the knife. And yeah, I did the Executioner for a challenge because I did a round before this with the burst pistol, and I won really fast. So we're going to do Executioner for more of a challenge. The Executioner, and that's it. My friend absolutely hates the Executioner, but I think it's a decent weapon if it has no range. Oh. I'm already dead. Okay. I see, I just got a combat knife and a long gun. Probably using a knife a lot. I have scavenger on just because it's a pistol, so it doesn't carry a lot of ammo, and it's a Executioner, so I'm kind of firing a lot of shots. Oh. Did he? No, I don't think I hit him. No. No, what's up? This gun's really good with the long barrel. Jesus. I'm gonna be going on vacation soon, so that is scary. Wasn't worried for a second there. Alright, I have scavenger on. Ow, what just happened? Oh, KSG, yeah. That explains it a lot. Bang, oh. That was a nice shot. Okay, so I think this is the sweet sensitivity. I prefer playing on controller than PC controller. Yeah, PC. Oh yeah, it's scary to me. Oh, that card's already exploded. I'm sorry, but I'm so sorry. Oh, the 5.7, that's a good gun. Oh my god. Let's C4 watch. He can't even see me watch. See, I swear. I thought that was 5 bullets in. That was like 4, I feel like. 1, 2, 3. Stars with John Wick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just 5. But like, so I'm pretty sure everyone can agree that 4 is just the Black Ops 4 is just the absolute worst Black Ops game there is so far. I'm excited for Black Ops 5 because I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be based off the Cold War, which I did an entire research project on because I just want to learn about it. And it's very interesting, actually. I'm excited for PlayStation 5 to come out. And as soon as I heard it, I knew I was doomed. Trying to get a quick little kill. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I'm losing. It's not a good sign. Oh, what do you mean? Okay. Jesus Christ. There he is. Dingo spotted. Dingo down. Dingo spotted. Aw, freaking Larry. Oh, it's TM Rat. Pretty sure what his name was. And Dingo spotted. Dingo killed. Dingo killed me. So who else is excited for PlayStation 5 and who else is gonna buy it? Because I know I will. Because it's supposed to have, I don't know, but it's supposed to have more space than the Xbox. It's supposed to, I'm not sure. I'm not entirely sure, but a lot of signs point to PlayStation better than Xbox. Well, at least the 5 is better than the Series X. I'm not really sure. Oh my god. Oh yeah, this. Okay. So I felt like in 3, I played 3 a lot on my dad's, and I just camped with the snipers all the time. Every time I had a sniper, I always had overkill. And I always had a sniper and a shotgun. And I thought I was smart. But nowadays, when I have a sniper, I just carry a pistol because I'm actually good now. 1 bullet left. So... So when I played a match before this was just pistol, my score was 50, but I only had 49 kills. Can anyone explain to me how that works? Ow. Because I have absolutely no idea how that works. What is the maximum for the executioner ammo count? Okay. Oh my god. Oh, it's a ballista! Probably my least favorite sniper. Because if you missed, you're screwed for about a good 2 seconds. Hey bud. I should really like the execution, I found out. I had the same problem with another game with a sawed-off shotgun. It was probably my least favorite gun because of how close you had to get with it. That's why it's a sawed-off shotgun. But I was trying to do a challenge, which I'm pretty sure I've completed. No, I haven't done that actually. But I had to get like 500 kills with it, and after getting to like 200 kills with it, I love the gun now. I love it more than the other shotgun. Instantly bouncing these buttons. You know, other people are just in these Very sweet spot. I have a long barrel and fast mag on this thing. I put fast mag because, you know, it would take forever to reload every single one of them. Hey, dude, ballista. He has a rocket launcher. Is he? Oh, I can't tell because he's dead. Oh, you are so. Hey. What? Hey, dude, ballista dude. Wait, is it? I can't see. All around me. Why isn't it? Oh my god. Sitting right by my window, so my ear's burning. Dun. Oh my god, are you kidding me? crossbow. The crossbow's in the wall. Hey. Hey. Ow. So that did no damage. Popping the legs. Bad Larry. Got him. Bad Larry. Oh, that's C4. TM grab. Man. I'm liking this gun a lot more. I love being able to shoot people 3 times. And then just, you know. There's so... Yeah, look how fast. Yeah, fast I can. Oh my god. Yeah, this gun shoots real fast. Oh yeah, I'm at 48. Okay. Bump. Ow. Hey, it's one of the same spot. Look at that. Oh, which one? Oh, I didn't need to mention dolphin dive. Dolphin dive! Pew, 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 pew. Got him. Yeah, I'm sorry, but yeah. Oh, it's not the same spot. Okay, and no, it's not what I wanted. Dolphin dive for the win! Never mind. Okay, so gotta do the dolphin dive for the win. Dolphin dive for the win! Pew, 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 pew. I'm sorry. I am so sorry, bud. Dolphin dive for the win! Nope, he's gone. Bad Larry. I can't do this. Okay. Short combat knife. If I lose this somehow. If I get remotely... Ow. If I get remotely close to losing, I don't even care. Yeah! Okay, let's see this kill cam. Done. Missed him completely. Ran to the left and boom. Okay, so we're changing up the map. Oh, whoops, forgot to do something. Oh yeah, fix the problem. You can meet other players while in lobbies or during gameplay. Okay, so I got the Cat 40 now with a long barrel and a fast mag. That's the word.
Our will cannot be stopped.
Oh, the pew pew. Yeah, that's what I thought was way more. This round's gonna go a lot faster now that I don't have execution. Don't gotta go as close. This gun just absolutely demolishes people. I saw him in the corner of my eye. Don't know why I jumped. Ow. Tourette's, that's what it's like. I jumped. I don't know why I don't know why I jumped, actually. Yeah, I don't know why I jumped. I just do. Force habit. said it was gonna go faster, but I keep dying. I keep forgetting what this map is, honestly. It's like, oh, I wonder what this map is. Totally forgot. I know I've played it 100 times, but I keep forgetting. Ow. Man, I feel like it's harder than the freaking Executioner. Oh, dude. I have longer. Does that have a suppressor on it? Yes. Hey. Okay. Oh my god, shotguns. Ow. What did you step on? Oh, it's a stapler. That's car trying to explode. Why? Who is shooting? It's Jay Kowalski. Mike Kowalski. I cannot aim. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. 100 across the board is just beautiful. Fury kill. Yeah. Oh, you're a far bud. Let's try to get you. Oh, awesome. Oh, 16. Oh, nearly halfway. Oh, no, actually, yeah. Halfway there. Oh, back here. One of them sprite it. Cool.
Be advised, hostile care package inbound.
Hostile care package. Should I go get that? Oh yeah, talk crap on the kill streak. Kill streaks. Oh, that's awesome, man. I feel like every time. I feel like every time an enemy uses a care package, it's always off the map. Should I go get it? Yes. Oh, what was that, man? Well, that's a beauty right there, actually. That's a... Now that I think of it, I was a little stupid when I played Black Ops 3. So I'm not as I am today, then don't really care. It's like, I was a really big camper when I played Black Ops 3 when I was younger. But, like, all my guns were all pretty much snipers. We had no shotgun classes at all. But, so, yeah, pretty much just always had snipers. I just did. And, yeah, I always had snipers. And I can't talk when I'm focusing. I always had snipers and I camped a lot. And for some reason I always had a suppressor. It doesn't matter what I used, I just always had a suppressor. Like every time I made a sniper I was like, oh, suppressors are so good. They stop the enemies from seeing me on the minimap. I don't care. I run around the map so much I can't camp anymore. I just hate camping. Absolutely hate camping now. I used to camp all the time. But now I just hate camping. You camp, I think you're gay. Just kidding. Oh, that was the last kill. Did not do it. Oh. Well guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.